Welcome back people, in this video we'll be talking about Hping, a powerful command line tool used for network scanning, packet crafting and testing of firewalls. Hping is widely used by security professionals and ethical hackers for network analysis and penetration testing. So what can you do with Hping? Here are some examples. Flood attacks. Hping can be used to launch DOS or DDoS attacks by flooding a target host with a large number of packets, overwhelming its resources and making it unavailable to legitimate users. Route tracing. Hping can also be used to trace the route that packets take between your host and a target host by sending packets with different TTL or time to live values and analyzing the ICMP error messages returned by intermediate routers. Packet manipulation. Hping allows you to craft and send custom packets to a target host, which can be useful for testing the effectiveness of firewalls and IDSs. You can use Hping to send different types of packets such as TCP, UDP and ICMP. So guys, let's get right into the demo. First of all, we're going to perform a DOS attack against our metasploitable machine. So navigate to your prompt and type the following command: hping 3, then your target IP address, then Q, which shows a brief output, then -N, which shows the target IP instead of the hosts, then -D 120, which sets the packet size, then -S, and after that -P, where you specify your ports. So we will be performing a DOS attack on the metasploitable machine on its port 80. Then fill out the rest of the command. And now we have the complete command. Before performing the command, we can easily surf to your metasploitable machine. But if we execute the command and then surf again to our metasploitable machine, wait a bit and then go again to your machine won't be reachable right here. So we've successfully executed a DOS attack on our metasploitable machine on its port 80. Now if we stop the command and then navigate to our host again, this will be possible again. For our second demo, we are going to perform a trace route with Hping. We will see how our traffic goes to different computers before reaching its final destination. So let's go and try to surf to google.com. Here we can see, first of all, that our traffic is going to this IP address. This is the private IP address of my router, where its name is unknown. Now, by one-upping our TTL value, we will go to the second resource. Here we can see my public IP address of my router and the actual name of your router. Now one last time, let's up our TTL value again. Here we can see the final destination again with the public IP address. So we can see that the traffic of our host goes to the router and then from the router goes back to Google. So this was it for the demo. So now you've got a basic understanding of what Hping is. Now let's talk about how you can protect yourself from the malicious use of Hping by hackers. Here are 3 ways you can defend against Hping attacks. Firewall. One of the most effective ways to protect your network from Hping attacks is to implement a firewall that blocks incoming traffic from unknown sources. A properly configured firewall can prevent unauthorized access to your network and limit the impact of Hping scans. Intrusion detection system. An IDS can detect and alert you to any suspicious network activity, including Hping scans. This can help you take action to prevent potential attacks before they occur. Network segmentation. By segmenting your network into smaller subnets, you can limit the potential impact of an Hping attack. If an attacker manages to scan one segment of your network, they will be unable to move laterally to other parts of your network. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.